Good morning, students. I am going to talk about for oxygen essential for the fish transportation. Oxygen is important of fish transport. Introduction. The transporting fishes is a very important part of fish culture. Fry and fingerlings must be transported from catchery to pond for stocking. Brood fishes are sometimes transported into the catchery to spawns. It may even be necessary to transport live harvested fish to the marketable for sale. Fish are generally transported in containers such as cans of different size, parts of ceramic or metal, wooden or metal buckets, pots, barrel, plastic bag, styrofoam box, bottles and jugs, animal skin and bamboo sections. Okay, the during transport oxygen packing is essential for fish. This is the important things all are noticing. Oxygen packing. It is essential to maintain the aquatic oxygen in the water while transporting fishes. The technique recommended for oxygenating water during fish transport is use of pure bottled oxygen. It may be bubbled continuous into an unsealed container during the transport or injected into a plastic bag containing the water and the fish, which is then sealed airtight for transport. This for polythene bag, this one is polythene bag, this is oxygen tube, this oxygen sealed in a plastic bag, this is cylinder, oxygen cylinder, this oxygen cylinder, this deoxygenated polythene bag, this oxygenated polythene bag. This air flow or the air bubbles are oxygenated bubbles. Okay. When plastic bags are used, oxygen is added after water and fish. 1/4 of the bag usually containing the water and fish and 3/4 contains in oxygen. After adding the oxygen, the bag is sealed should with a twist rubber band, string or other materials are tied to the oxygen because is not the removal of oxygen. As a precautions against leakage, the first plastic bag should be placed inside a second bag whenever possible. The sealed should bag of fish is then placed in a box, old grass bag or other container for added protection and loaded onto a vehicle for transport. If properly packaged and insulated from heat, this container can transport fish for 24 to 48 hours without water exchange. Only 24 to 48 hours there is no change in new water. Already is water is filled with the oxygen exchange. Okay, when then the adding of oxygen, that is sealed should be a twist rubber band, strings or other material. These figures are oxygen cylinder and then fish. This for polythene bag, the insert to the jug. This is oxygen tube. This filled with the oxygen, fulfilled with the oxygen bag and then tray or fisheries and the tight bag of sealed the rubber band and a protective precaution to the second stage, the double backing added in protection of against puncture and leakage. There is no puncture. Okay. Other procedure may be used in emergency when bottled oxygen is unavailable. During hot weather or long trips, Fish may rise to the surface and start gasping for air. This means oxygen in the water has been depleted and the water should be changed. The oxygen are needed and then amount of order of oxygens. Okay, this one is aquatic oxygen, this one is depleted oxygens. When adding fresh water to a container of fish or when transferring fish into fresh, receiving the water in excess the following the precautions. The new water should be clean, not mud, and should be free of chemical pollutant and avoid the acid and peaty if water from clean and clean running springs or stream is best water. Okay, poorly aerated, the water from wells, storage waste or reservoir should be avoided because it is low in oxygen. New water should be the same temperature as the original water. The water change only 24 to 48 hours are stable the oxygen and then after 2 or 3 days not stable the fish. Okay, new water should be the same temperature as the original water. Transport water can be aerated by agitations or air can be pumped into it during the emergency when water exchange is impossible and fish are clearly under stress. The agitation can be done in several ways. A small quantity of the old water can be removed and poured repeated from the height of 30 to 50 centimeter through a screen, the grate or porous glass back into the transport of container. Only several ways of the water. A small quantity of the old water can be removed and poured repeated from the height of 30 to 50 centimeter through the screen or grate or porous glass back into the transport of the container. A person can be also stick his hand into the water submerged up to the ankles with the fingers spread and briskly wave back on the fourth. Another one important of the electrical device are also used for agitation. Electrical device for also used for agitation. This one is glass, this one is cup, this water, this are towel, pouring old water back into the transport of container. This water of old water, a transport. This aerating the container by hand. The aerating container by the natural of air. Pumping air into the transport water can be done continuously from the start of travel or as an emergency measures. The thinnest air bubbles possible should be pumped into the water. Oxygen diffusion faster through thin bubbles. The large bubbles forceful pumped into the water may also injure fishes. The thinnest air bubbles possible should be pumped into the water. Oxygen diffused faster through the thin bubbles. Large bubbles forcefully pumped into the water may also injure fish. Another one is the equipment which can be used included bicycle, dry pumps in battery operated aerator from aquarium shafts, air-filled inner tubes with air being spoiled through a regulator nozzle and any other locally filled in other device. Agitation can be done simultaneously with aeration. However, these are only temporary measures and will not keep the fish alive very long. Agitation can be done simultaneously with aeration. However, these are only temporary measures and will not keep the fish alive very long. They may be dried until the water can be exchanged. Do not bubble your breath through the water. It contains carbon dioxide, not oxygen. You will only hasten the death of your fish by doing this. Okay, the pumping of air into a transport container. The air pumping transport to the container. Okay, wow. The resemblance of cycle tube. Okay. Use of hydrocarbon pentoxide as an oxygen source. Hydrogen pentoxide as an oxygen sources. The large capital outlay is required for tank and other specialized equipment used in fish transport with pure bottled oxygen. A practical method for hydrogen peroxide used in fingerling transport has been developed by N. Innes Taylor and L. G. Rosa at the Institute of Aquaculture, University of Stirling, okay, this in Britain. The hydrogen peroxide decomposes to yield oxygen and water. It is available from Paramix in most countries. Through the expansive, it does not require the large capital outlay if small quantities of fish are being transported. The system is described below. So, uses of hydrogen peroxide in oxygen sources, how will you filled with oxygen peroxide, and the uses of oxygen peroxide. Okay. The deep proven capacity, this measurement of 26 centimeter and then plastic bag in clean water several times to get it wet, then shake to remove the excess of water. 1 gram of fish liver in the ad-hoc bag, the crushed the liver by hand and ordered the 40 ml of 6% weight for volume of hydrogen peroxide, expel at all air from the bag and seal it with an elastic band. Shake the bag to facilitate the oxygen release. The bag should fill with the oxygen in approximately 5 minutes. The oxygen is fused into a transported bag containing the water and fish through a plastic tube as the following the diagram shows. Okay. This plastic tube for oxygen transfer, this oxygen transferred into the transporting pack and release the cold water of oxygen for 40 ml of 6% weight for volume of hydrogen peroxide, 1 gram of crushed fish liver. This is fish liver because feed on the fish is crushed liver on the feed on the fish. Okay, the transport bag with the tray and fingering. These bubbles are oxygen transport bubbles producing the pure oxygen from hydrogen peroxide for fish transport. Thank you. Okay.